Hi guys, welcome back. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Cynthia. In today's video, I am showing you how to do this smoky eye. I am using the James Charles Morphe palette in this video to create all these, this entire look. I use the whole entire palette for this look. It's a very gloomy day here in Michigan, and it's a Monday, and you're gonna see me have a very Monday day in this video. Oh my goodness. But it's very gloomy here in Michigan, so I decided to sit down and record a quick tutorial for you guys. And I wanted to play my James Charles Morphe palette again. I've been liking it so far. I decided, why not? I have a very Monday hair day today too. Sit back, grab a snack, and let's get into this. To start off with, I am going in with a light brown shade. And we are just going to put this on the flat end of our brush, and we are going to apply this all over the lid. And make sure you tap off any excess. With the darker colors that we use, if you go in too dark, you can't take it away. But if you go in light, you can add more. So it's a nice tip I always like to think of if I'm using darker colors, that you go in light. Alright, and now we got a base color. I'm going to go in and darken it up a little. I'm using a light brown. Remember to tap off any excess, just because, like, for me, if you have a full face already done, it's gonna go on your full face. But if you do this before your full face of makeup, then go for it. I am just working this on the outer corner and working it up in outer corner and working it up into my crease, like so. We're going to just blend it in. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a more cocoa brown. And I decided to bring it in all over the lid with that cocoa brown. And now you're going to want to go in for your black color. And I am just going to focus this on my upper lash line, but as close as I possibly can get. And we're going to slowly work this up. And remember, if you're using a dark color, go in lightly. Don't go in with a heavy, full brush of eyeshadow. Because you can't take away, you can only add on. My mom always used to hate it when I wore black eyeshadow. She literally hated it every time. She always said I looked like a raccoon. Alright, I don't think I'm going to do my lower lash line just because it's such a bold, dark look, and I don't want it to be that dark because I don't like dark makeup. So yeah, with this look, you're going to want to do a lot of blending, because you're using such dark colors that if you don't blend it out enough, you're gonna notice cakey. You're gonna notice it build up, and people are gonna be able to notice that you didn't blend it out. I was worried about fallout from my eyeshadow, but I have more of the fallout bristles from my stupid Jaclyn Hill brushes. Like, it's insane. Like, I have don't have any fallout from my eyeshadow, but I have so many bristles on my face. It's ridiculous. Like, I'm so mad that these brushes are falling apart like this. Nothing in the world. Nothing in the world. Going in with my legendary lengthening mascara from Ulta, like I normally do. If you watch my videos, if you don't, now you know. Y'all, send help! Send help! No! Why me? I literally just had a dunce moment. It's time for lashes. And for those of you that have been watching, you know that I use... Where'd it go? I swear, lashes stick to freaking everything. Annoying. But you know that I use my Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. And for my lash glue, I use Duo Strip Lash Adhesive White / Clear. I'm scared to use a black lash glue because I am still not the best at putting on lashes. I am still learning. This is probably like my 12th time putting on lashes. I'm like, it was a hot mess when I first started doing it. Hot mess. My dumbass did not just put these on backwards. I did. Useless. You're useless. Yeah. And that is it for this Smokey ombre eye. Monday. Makeup's done now, so I don't have to worry about going through that mess again. Oh my gosh, that was stressful. Yes, I just itched my ear. That is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed, and I am sorry it's such a struggle bus and it was all over the place. Once again, I used the James Charles Morphe palette for this whole entire look. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see something in particular, or if you would like me to review a product, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, and you will be able to get notifications for when I upload onto YouTube. And then also at the end of this video, I will leave all my social media links if you guys would like to follow me on social media. I like to post short little videos on my Instagram also, so makeup videos I should say, and kitty cat pictures. I like to post on my Instagram also very often, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!